What's up guys, it's me again. So the other days I was making homemade stuff like homemade cars, homemade gun, and I made a lot of trash out of cutting all those cardboard into pieces. So today I'm gonna put all those pieces of cardboard together and make a homemade colorful lamp. So without further ado, please hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be pretty much interesting. So let's get right into it. But before I begin, I want you to know that I'm gonna make two of them, the mini one first and the huge one. So let's begin. I'm currently done with the mini one, so I'm gonna show you how it works when I'm done with the huge one. Let's begin with it. Done with both of them, but unfortunately the mini one, the light doesn't work properly, but the huge one works properly. So let me show you how the huge one works. So the lamp can be used on the center table in the living room, hall or waiting room.
Going in at half time is that you've competed, you've caused them problems. O'Brien working forward again here for Barnes, and he was just in behind Vardy. Dini some way off.
And it can also be used beside the bed in the bedroom. And also on a working desk in the office or a workhouse. And you can even hang it under a ceiling as a chandelier in any room. Alright guys, so I forgot to make an outro, so here's a random video I picked and I'm adding this audio to it to say thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time very soon.
Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me.